IntelliScientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we will acquire the knowledge to construct a solid cylindrical model. We will also understand the basic difference between the total surface area and the curved surface area of a cylinder by finding them out practically. From our IntelliSmart box, take out the cylinder kit and the geometry box. Solid cylindrical shaped objects we see in everyday life. It includes candles, cells, pencils, etc. Now take out the foam rings of type A and type B, foam discs, measuring disc from cylinder kit and ruler from geometry box. We can make the solid cylindrical models by using foam rings of type A or type B or both and foam discs. Take 5 type A foam rings and place them one over the another on a flat surface like this. Now insert 5 type B foam rings inside the stack of foam rings of type A one by one. Finally, insert the 5 foam discs inside the foam rings of type B in this way. Observe that we have thus built a simple solid cylinder model. Here it has one curved surface and 2 flat surfaces which are circular and present at the top and the bottom. Please don't get confused and be informed that the circle is a flat two-dimensional surface having no curved surface. Kindly ignore the slight gaps in between the foam rings and foam discs. Consider it as a solid cylinder model. Now let's calculate the curved surface area and total surface area of the formed cylinder one by one. Generally, the curved surface area of a cylinder is defined as 2 pi RH, where R is the radius of the cylinder and H is the height of the cylinder. So, we need to find out the radius and height of the cylinder, for which place the solid cylinder model on the measuring disc. Here you can see that the outer edge of the solid cylinder model coincides with the red border, which is the circumference of the outermost black circle. Remove the measuring disc and measure the radius of the red circle while considering the center as the black dot on the disc. Let's use the ruler for this purpose. Here, the radius is equal to 4.5 cm. Now, measure the height of the cylinder by taking it to the edge of the table with the help of the ruler. The height of the cylinder is equal to 5 cm. Let's put the values in the formula to calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7, that is the value of pi, multiplied by 4.5, that is the value of radius, multiplied by 5, that is the value of height of the cylinder, which is equal to 990 by 7 centimeter square. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 990 by 7 centimeter square. Now, the total surface area of the cylinder is defined as the area of all its faces, that is, its curved surface and flat surfaces, which are at the top and at the bottom, for which we need to calculate the area of two circles. As we already have the measurements, we can directly find out the total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, which is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7, that is the value of pi, multiplied by 4.5, that is the value of the radius, multiplied by 4.5 plus 5, that is the value of radius plus height of the cylinder, which is equal to 1881 by 7 centimeter square. Therefore, the total surface area of the solid cylinder is 1881 divided by 7 centimeter square. In a similar manner, you can perform this activity to practically understand the basic difference between the total surface area and the curved surface area of the cylinder having different dimensions. We are sure that after performing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: preparing the solid cylinder by using foam rings and foam disc, practically understand the basic difference between the total surface area and the curved surface area of a solid cylinder, and calculating the total surface area and the curved surface area of a solid cylinder model. Visualize maths with Allen IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.